if 15 minus 2x over x plus 4 times x minus 1 is congruent to r over x over 4, x plus 4 plus 9 over 7 into x minus 3. Find the value of r. In fact, our work is easier here. What you do, you just break this one into its own partial fraction and find r. That's all. You don't care what the value of the other. Just find your r. That means we're going to do a halfway work. That means this one now, you multiply all through by the equation of, we multiply all through by the LCM of this. That means we multiply all through by this by this. So this one will now become 15 minus 2x. We multiply by this one to go. This one now will be equals to, and in this case, r into x minus 3 plus the other one, let's call it b into x plus 4. Remember, we're looking for r. Therefore, we make x be 4. We make x be minus 4 so that this b will collapse. Only r will survive. Then we solve. So we put x to be minus 4. So this one from here we have 15 minus 2 into minus 4. Yes, it equals to r into, what is our x? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 plus b into minus 4 plus 4. Let's continue. This one now will become 15 plus 8. Minus times minus is plus, and 2 times 4 is 8. That's why we have 8 here. It will be equals to minus 7r. Yes, minus times minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. And multiply by r, you get minus 7r. And this part is 0. So you think about it now. So you have minus 7r will be equals to 15 plus 8, 28, 23. Sorry, we have 23. Remember, we're looking for r. So we divide both sides by coefficient of r, which is 7. 23. This one now by minus 7. This one by minus 7. This one and this one will go. So r will be equals to minus 23 over 7. That is the final answer.